Alright, so this is the final place where the highway starts. That's the Golden Chokri, and I'm not sure what's that highway called. I forgot the number, but that's the main highway, and that's the Halol highway that we are going to take. I'm not sure if you guys can see it from here. And here's the Ninja 300 that we'll be taking out for the corners at Pawagadh. And we need to be back by 11:30, so right now it's 6:30, so that gives us about 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That gives us about 5 hours. So we need to go to Pawagadh, take some corners, go to Hatni Mata, and get back within 4.5 hours, because we can't stretch it up to 5 hours. So yeah, let's just start and make it in time. That's a good view. And luckily यार बिल्कुल ट्रैफिक नहीं है, because it's a weekday, not a week off. Awesome. Alright, so the corners that we are about to take start from right, the next right turn. Oh, that's a CBR 250. I guess a 150, but both of them are very identical, and I'm not sure what that was. Please hope this Pawagadh road बंद ना हो अभी. Yes, we can still go. Alright, so here's the place. That's my favorite place right there. This place is so damn peaceful. Like on the week off, like Saturday, Sunday, this place is heavily crowded. But on weekdays, This place is just heaven. Man, I'm in love with the Ninja. Since we are on a time munch and we still have a lot of time to spare, I think I'm just gonna go down, take some more corners, because on the way up the roads were very bad. So let's just hope that on the way down, on the left side, the roads are better. So there is this hill that I'm looking for at Harni Mata. I'm not sure where it is, but I need to find it. मैं यहाँ पे बहुत बार नहीं आया हूँ, सिर्फ एक बार आया हूँ, नहीं 2 बार. 2 साल पहले एक बार आया था और 2 महीने पहले एक बार आया था. बट द लास्ट टाइम जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था, इट वॉज अ पिकनिक मोर देन अ राइड. सो आई वॉजंट calculating the roads and memorizing all those twists and turns and each road that we are supposed to memorize on a ride. This place, it feels like home. It actually feels like home. Zero human interference in this place. I know you can see a home, but that's abandoned, so please ignore that. The point is, this place feels so connected to the nature because it actually is, but that's not the actual point. That's a dog. Okay. The thing about this Ninja is the ground clearance is very low, so I need to take it very titsy bitsy small steps in order to not scratch the bottom, sorry. And the Ninja is definitely not loving it. These roads are not meant for this bike. Even though this engine is a high revving engine, this thing has a lot of torque in it when it comes to around 3 to 4,000 RPM, because it just climbs seamlessly, because this is around, I guess, 30 to 35 degree incline climb, and the torque figures just don't do justice to what this bike has to offer in the real world. Okay, I wasn't expecting this place to be dirty, okay, because the last time I got here it was completely, okay, let's just forget that. सो फाइनली मैं घर जा रहा हूँ बिकॉज़ मैं स्केड्यूल टाइम के कुछ ज़्यादा ही पहले पहुँच गया था. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ़ इट्स जस्ट अबाउट द बाइक बिकॉज़ मैंने कैलकुलेट किया था कि मैं यहाँ पे 10 बजे तक पहुँचूँगा और थोड़ा लेट घर जाऊँगा, बट मैं बहुत जल्दी आ गया और मैं पावागढ़ से भी वापस आ चुका हूँ और मैं हाथनी माता से भी वापस निकल रहा हूँ. एंड स्टिल अभी सिर्फ 8 बजे है. So I have a lot of time to just do nothing before college right now. So I'll just head back home.